Good evening. Today is October 20, 2023 Friday, and here are the 7 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the STL Swear 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for October 20, 2023 Friday. Here are the STL Swear 3 7 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Friday, October 20, 2023. Here are the STL Swear 3 7 p.m. result for Cebu City under LTS Advance Incorporated for October 20, 2023, Friday. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of Friday, October 20, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.